My name is Kahiem Dixon.
All right, Kahiem, 5 goals today. Wanted the 6 1.
Yeah, yeah. To make it a
Um,
double hat trick.
Double hat trick.
Yeah,
Ever done that before?
yeah.
In the Dakasa Cup?
No, no.
Would be a first time. So what do you think about your opponents today? What made the game so easy for you guys today?
The opponent didn't have enough players, so and the sun drained them out, so they never want to come out and play the second half.
Oh, interesting. So what do you think about your performance today? Scored 5 goals.
My performance wasn't good as I expected, but there's still room for improvement.
What's the target for this season? What goals are you looking for this season?
There's no target. The amount come, that is it. I'm working it.
Oh, definitely. You have seen where a lot of linemen have been shed and strikers and goal scorers in Europe. But this season, so last season, you're more of a you're more of a providing quite more assists than goals. But you had more goals, but your link up play was more the role that you played last season. This season, you're trying to score more goals. What's the drive from last season? Doing a lot of link up play now, trying to score so much goals.
To try beat the number of goals I scored last year. So it's an improvement every season.
All right, and what next after Schoolboy?
Try to go professional.